In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a church on the Bible app. To get started, open the Bible app. On most phones or tablets, you will see the icon with a brown Bible and the word Holy. Tap that icon once to launch it. After a moment, the home screen of the app appears, usually showing the verse of the day and some reading suggestions. If your app looks different, do not worry. Layouts can change slightly with updates, but you should still see the main navigation at the bottom of the screen. Now that the app is open, tap Discover. You will find Discover in the bottom menu bar, usually near the middle of the screen. When you tap it, the view changes from your home screen to a page filled with suggestions, plans, and topics. This Discover area is where the app helps you find specific content like churches, Bible reading plans, and topical studies. Next up, tap Churches. On the Discover screen, look for the Churches option, often listed among other choices like plans or videos. It may appear as a word with a small icon next to it. When you tap Churches, the app switches to a screen focused just on church profiles. You might see featured churches, or a prompt inviting you to find your church. This section is designed specifically for connecting you with a local or online church inside the app. With the Churches section open, search your church name. At the top of the screen, tap into the search bar, then carefully type the name of your church. Try to use the same spelling your church uses on its website or social pages because the search can be sensitive to wording. After you finish typing, wait a moment for results to load or tap the search button on your keyboard if you see one. You should now see a list of churches that match or are close to the name you entered. If there are many results, look at the city and state or country listed under each name to spot the right one. Beginners often miss their church because they only glance at the name and ignore the location below it. Once you see it in the results, open your church page. Tap the correct church name one time. The app opens a dedicated page just for that church. Here you may see the church logo, the name, the location, and sometimes service times or a welcome note. You might also see upcoming events or suggested Bible reading plans that your church shares. This page is like the church home inside the Bible app. After that, tap Set as My Church. Look for a clear button on the church page that says Set as My Church and tap it once. The button might change color or wording, or you might see a brief confirmation at the bottom of the screen. From now on, the app recognizes this church as your home church, and its content and events can appear more prominently for you. You have now set your church inside the Bible app so it is linked to your personal account. If this helped you get connected to your church, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple Bible app guides.